Front that brought all the rain yesterday is continuing to ease off and decay, and it means for many of us today it's set to be drier and brighter with some decent spells of sunshine developing, especially as we head through the afternoon. A contrasting start to the day. Clear skies in the north could lead to a touch of frost, but in the south it's very cloudy, claggy and pretty mild start to the day. So we start with the cloudy skies across much of Wales, around some western coasts and hills, a fair bit of low cloud, mist and fog. Cloudy to start across Northern Ireland. Hold on in there, things will turn drier as we head through the day. A chilly start across the far north of Scotland, temperatures falling into low single figures. That could allow a slight touch of frost to develop. That's pretty late in the season. Into southern areas of Scotland, over to northeast England, this weak weather front still sitting here, keeping it fairly cloudy for the morning with some light outbreaks of rain or the odd scattered shower. Slowly but surely through the morning we will see the cloud breaking up, the sunshine showing its hand. 14, 15, 16 are starting temperatures in the south. That is mild, and yet again a lot of low cloud, mist and fog through the southern coast and through the Bristol Channel. For some that will linger around the coast, but inland the cloud will lift and break and the sunshine will come through. The best of the warmth in the southwest, we could get up again similar to yesterday, 22, typically high teens. Cooler in the north, 13 or 14 degrees, despite that sunshine. Now, as we head through the evening and overnight, yet again, the cloud fills back in again, sitting and lowering across the hills. A fair bit of mist and fog to contend with. Mild again in the south, quite a humid one to come. Clearer spells in the north, yet again, lead to a chilly start first thing on Saturday. So how's Saturday looking for the start of the Jubilee celebrations? Not too bad, actually. Largely dry, some decent spells of sunshine, cooler in the north, the best of any warmth in the south, but lurking behind me is rain that will push in to the west later on Saturday. But for Derby Day at Epsom, for the start of the festivities, well, it isn't looking too bad. It's dry at least, but it is looking pretty cloudy. The dry conditions, I'm afraid, don't last for long, not for all of us for the weekend. This weather system sweeps in from the southwest. We've been following it for a few days now, but in London for the Jubilee pageant, it does look as though at the moment it's likely to be wet. With that rain, it's going to be pretty cool as well. If you are under the band of rain, temperatures dropping compared to where they've been on previous days. At the moment, it still sits through central southern areas of England and Wales. Further north, though, a better chance of being dry and sunny.